Good morning, viewers. You must hate this ugly boy, you know? But if you even hate me, me no matter. Me don't want to say God love me, you know? Because you see, if God love me, the whole world can hate me. Because the world don't know where to put me. But God have somewhere for me. So if God love me, and me live for him, then me know say he has somewhere to put me. Alright, listen me now. Me not talk about the bleaching. Listen again. You know, one time, we put on one trip to go Duns River. So, you know what trip go already. You can't just, everybody can come and trip. It have to have a numbers. So you are going now. It's like we see this youth and youth say, you know, say, me a come on a trip, but that's 2 away. Say, okay. Alright, we say, alright. We are going to leave at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now you know Jamaica time already. So, if you are left 7, you can't say 7. You can, if you are left 8, you can't say 7. You can't say 8. You have to say, you are left at 7. So that people are ready. And when the marijuana come 7:30, they say they're late. Because I want every bus gone already. But you don't know, say, at 8 you are left. Alright? So anyway, we tell the youth, say, we are left at 7 o'clock. When we know, so we are left at 8. Anyway, 7 o'clock we start calling him because we don't see him come. So we are calling him 7 o'clock. And we don't hear him. So we say, alright then, we go see what I go on with him. So, you see one time, we call, and tell the youth, eventually, respond to a call. The youth say, you know something? We don't have to go on left me, you know. So what I go on, brother? He said, look at the man. You know, so I carry one woman got me yard last night. Because woman me carry got me yard last night. I say, alright. And me and the woman I go roll. So me and the woman sleep last night, you know, in the dark and everything and what have you. This man we get up now, we go bathroom, go get ready to go. Say we are come a beach. Me take a start. The woman tie and die, brother. A tie and die woman me have in her house. Part of the woman brown and part black. How me go up on beach with that woman there, brother? Me can't go up on beach with that woman there. So you hear me I say? You no go and left me here, man. Sorry, but you no go and left me. That's why me I tell you now, bleacher, watching yourself. Watching yourself. Me see also old woman a bleach. Who not a bleacher? They old granny there. Where them a bleacher? A bleacher? Who not a bleacher? A look man? A young boy them we a bleaching a look. The boy them we wear them pants and them body. Me say you not go like me for them a same thing, you know. You not go like me for them a same thing about era. Me a tell you the truth. The truth is truth where God love. You know, so Jesus come on earth, come preach the truth and I hate him and kill him for. So right now, me I talk the truth. I know, so don't kill me for. But me no business. Because if me even dead, me dead for the truth. Right? You want to check on yourself, yeah, man. Before you wreck on yourself. Alright?